I have now helped hundreds of people who are burnt out of trying side hustle after side hustle start this $500 a day side hustle that you can get started by the end of this week. And the best part is it runs mostly on autopilot and you can use artificial intelligence to do most of the work for you. And I've already shown this side hustle to hundreds of people who are complete beginners and they're looking to start making money as fast as humanly possible. Now, you're not going to need any prior marketing experience or even any tech skills, and you won't need some large upfront investment to get started. And don't worry, I'm not going to sell you a high ticket course or a coaching program. This method can very easily be replicated, and I'm going to give you an entire step-by-step course that explains the entire process. I give you all my templates, all my scripts. All you have to do is give me a thumbs up down below, and I want you to say, I want freedom, down in the comments. And anyone who comments, I will personally send you a link to get access to this 100% free course. All right, so this is the simple business model that I'm going to show you how to implement today. Okay, so step one, we're simply going to contact local businesses. I want you to think of your chiropractors, realtors, dentists, those type of local businesses. Now, step two is we're going to install this plug and play AI software that's going to help them get more leads. Okay, at least that's one of the things that it's going to help them do. It's actually going to help them do a lot more, but the main thing is it's going to help them get more leads, more customers, more clients into their local practice. And of course, if you can bring that much value to a local business, they're going to easily pay you $400 to $500 per month. I even have some students charging $1,000 to even $2,000 for these services. But when you're just starting out as a complete beginner, you can probably get at least $300 or even $400 per month. As you get better, you can definitely charge more. And of course, that's just one client. As you continue to do this, I'm going to show you how to rinse and repeat. Once you get one client, then we stack another one and another one, because this process is almost 100% automated. So you're going to be able to handle more and more clients. All right, so now that you know what we're doing with this business model or side hustle, I want to show you this billion-dollar company that is doing the exact same thing. You can actually look up Weave on Google and you can see they're making millions and millions of dollars every single week. Now, as you can see, if I go to products, okay, you can see a number of things that they do for local businesses. Okay, as you can see, they have texting, they have reviews, they're helping businesses get more reviews. They have online scheduling, right? They have email marketing, they have billing and payments. Okay, so all these things that you can do using Weave, right? These are the services that they offer to local businesses. And the reason I'm showing you this is because this is such a massive opportunity to make money with this method. Now, the software we're going to use to install into local businesses is called Funnel Freedom. Now, as you can see, it's an all-in-one software that's going to allow you to do all those things that I showed you using Weave. Okay. And again, I'm going to show you how you can instantly install this into a business so you can start making money. But I first want to show you all the things that you can do, right? As you can see, I have calendars, I have conversations, I have contacts, payments, marketing, email marketing, text marketing. So these are all things that you're going to help local businesses do, right? Most local businesses don't know how to do any of these things, right? And another thing that's super powerful is if I go to where it says Freedom AI here on the bottom left, you can also help businesses craft emails. You can help them craft stories. You can help them make even social media content, because this AI software does it all for you, right? It makes you look like the superhero, but all you're really doing is using this artificial intelligence website and software to do all the work for you, right? So as you can see, if a business needs help creating content, right? Instagram script writer or viral hook ideas, all you do is feed it the business information and it creates an entire script, story, and and viral hook for any business. Now, the next question I get is, okay, awesome. I get what we're doing. I can help local businesses install this AI software, but how do I find these local businesses? What do I say to them? What's the script on how I can get them to pay me? Do I send them my website? All that stuff I actually want to give you in a step-by-step free course. Again, if you can say, I want freedom, down below, I will give you access to this course. Let me show you. Now, this is a program that we created called Freedom University, okay? And again, you're going to get free access when you comment and like and share this video down below. But in this course, as you can see, we go step by step and show you every part of the process, right? We show you the email setup, the texting setup, the payments, the integrations, the missed callback, conversations, calendars, right? All these things we show you how to set up. But more importantly, if you skip all the way to the bottom, we actually show you how to build out your agency, okay? So if you click on bonus, build your agency right here, we show you everything you need to know to build out this agency. That way you can start reaching out to local businesses and you can use our scripts, our templates, our websites, our pricings. That way you can go and get clients, right? We give you the step-by-step process. So my suggestion is once you get access to Freedom University, again, absolutely free, you're going to want to start here, okay? Because right here, we're going to show you how to get started with this business model. I'm going to give you my scripts, give you my templates. And then of course, if you have any questions about any of the details, you can always go up over here and look at any of these things here like contacts. And we have literally step-by-step instruction on how this works. Now, on top of that, you actually get 2 coaching calls every single week live. You can get on a Zoom call, ask questions, bring your clients' work to us, and we're going to help you. We're going to help you grow and scale this business model. We already have hundreds of people showing up every single week in the groups, in the calls. We have so much support for you, absolutely free. The only thing that we ask is that you show up, you use the software, and you do the work. So if you want access to this program, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description, or if you commented down below, I will personally send you a link. That way you can get access to Freedom University. Super excited about this, and I want to help more and more people with this business model. We'll see you on the inside, and God bless.